Hi, enrich your vocabulary daily with Aamya Sachdeva. The word of today is gregarious. In this video, you will learn its meaning, synonyms, and example sentences. So let's get started. Gregarious means a sociable person or the one who is fond of company. Synonyms for this word can be genial, outgoing, convivial, and companionable. Let's see how this word is used in different sentences. Number 1. He was always a gregarious and sociable person and loved to set up opportunities for people from all walks of life to come together. These gregarious and easygoing individuals are always ready to lend an ear or a hand to their friends. All species of dolphins are quite gregarious. So, are you gregarious or non-gregarious person? Just ponder over it. Happy learning! Kindly like, share and follow my channel and don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you and stay blessed.